Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are keeping well. So dear students, today we will learn dividing one digit at a time. One digit at a time. What we are learning? Dividing. Okay, so that is there. Now dear students, before we go to the division, let us revise once. Okay, some key points we have to know. Okay, now you might be seeing here the key concepts. Okay, before we start dividing one digit at a time, let us understand that this is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Hundred and thousand. Now, how we can write it? Ones. Can we write ones? And here what is that? 10. Then what is written here? 100 is written here. And here what is written? 1000 it is written. Okay? 1000 is written. Now, dear students, very vital thing I am going to tell you, okay? And that is what? And that is this here. I am writing here, okay? Now look at it. Suppose I am writing 3, 4, 5, 6. What I have written here? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, this is one digit. This is one digit. We can say it is as a whole number. Means how we can count? 3456. 56. Now, into how we can say? 50. Can you say? This stands in which place? Ones place. Means this is the first place. And this is second place. Second place means tens. Second place means tens. Okay. Now how we can write? Suppose we write this one. 6, 1. This is 6 ones. Okay. Now look at here. 5. In which place it is? Tens place. So what we can write here? What we can write here? 5 tens. 5 tens. What is saying? How many times? 5 tens. Tens plus 5 tens. 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said here, how many? 5 tens. In which place this is? In tens place. So, what we can do here? 5 tens. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dear students, how we can write? Can we write this one like this? 5 tens means 50. Means here only 1 is there. Only 1 is there. So, what we can do? Just we can put 0, 5, 0. Means 50. Yes. Can you see here? Tens is there. So we have written here 5 tens. How many? 5 tens. 5 tens are there. Now you can see here what I have done here. Just I added it here and then it became 50. Now in short form we can learn. Okay, this is tens place. This is tens place. Okay, so now suppose I am writing here another example I am giving you. Okay, another example I am giving you so that you can understand. Now let us take 87. How we can write this one? 7 This is what? 7 is what? 1, only 1 is there. Okay? 7 is only 1, or we can say once. That is also good. That is also good because it stands in the first place. So we can say 7 once. Only 1 is there. No? So 7 once. Now 8 is there. In which place this is standing? Second place. And second place is what? Once, this is first place, and tens, this is second place. So what we can say? 8 tens. 8 tens is equal to 80. Is equal to 80. So this is solved. Okay, so we can reach it here very fast. Okay, now I hope you have understood this one. Okay, so here what we can do here, tens we can write. Okay, tens. 80 tens. 80 tens. Now same thing will come here also. Same thing it will come here also. Now look at here. First place is what? Ones. Shall we write? Ones. 1. O for ones. O stands for ones. Now second place is tens. So T, shall we put? T stands for tens. And third place is stands for 100. So can we write here H. Then fourth place 1000 is there. 1000. So what we can write here in the fourth place? TH. Okay, TH. Now we can say here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, this much you know, this much you learn it, and then we will learn it. Okay, the division work, dividing one digit at a time. One example I would like to give, that is 4. Okay, then here 2. So you can see here the digit 4 divided by 2. Now look at here, 2 2s are 4. Dear students, how we can know that we have to divide? Now here there is 4 means it is bigger than, yes, it is bigger than 2. It is bigger than 2. So we have to say the table of 2 how many times? I don't know how many times, but let us find out how many times we can say. Okay, so here 4 is there and we can divide it how many times? Okay, let us say the table. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Oh, 4 is coming, means exactly it is, the 4 is divisible by 2. Exactly it is divisible by 2. So we can divide it. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If you minus it, what it will be? 0. Now, very important thing. Okay, in the previous class we have already studied, but I would like to draw your attention here that this is called, this part is called what? Divisor. Okay, divisor. And this is called what? Quotient. Okay, quotient. And this part, dividend. Okay, dividend. Okay, dividend. We say dividend, and dividend whenever we divide. Okay, in which number we divide, that is called dividend. And now here the last one is this one. Which place is this called? Remainder. So dear students, this one you have to know thoroughly. Okay, this is called divider. 2 is called divider, and 2 is called quotient, and 4 is called dividend, and 0 is called remainder. So let us take one example, that is 96. 96 divide by 6. 96 divided by 6. So can we divide it? Now dear students, I do not know. Only I know the table of 6. I know the table of 6. But how shall we divide now? Now, very important thing. You have to check whether this digit is divisible. Okay? One thing we have to remember, that this divisor has to be smaller than this dividend. And this is what? What? This is ones and this is tens place. And this is bigger. Yes? Now what we can do? Here 6 is there and here 9 is there. So how many times we can say the table? Can you see here? 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3. We know the table? Yes? Okay, now look at here. Now 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, so it will go on. Now here only 9 is there. So 9 is bigger than 6. So how many times we can say? 6 1s are 6. If we take 2 times, 6 2s are 12. Then it is becoming smaller than to this 12. So how many times we shall take? 1 time. So 6 1s are 6. Okay. Now minus it. Now 9 minus 6. Come on, tell me. 9 minus 6. 9. Can you see here the places? 1 2 3. In each finger, how many points are there? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So how many total numbers points are there here in our fingers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here 9 points are there. Now look at here, and we have to minus it 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remove it. Now how many remaining? 1 2 3. So here 3 is remaining. Or what you can do here, you can put, okay, number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now how many you have to cancel? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how much remaining? 3. Count it. 1 2 3. So this 3 came here. Now what we have to do? Now ones place we have to go. Now this is ones place. Okay. Now we have to bring it down. We have to bring it down here. Okay, because we are doing second time. Okay, so we have to finish it. Okay, now what we can do here? 6. We know the table of 6, and how many times we shall say the table of 6, and then we will get 36. We will get 36. Do we know the table or not? 6 into 4, okay, 6 into 5, then 6 into 6, okay, 6 into 7, okay, so like that you can go finish it, okay. Now 6 4s are 24, okay, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, and 6 6s are 36. Oh yes, 36 is there. Here 36. Yes. Now how many times it is going? 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 36. We shall write like this. So now minus it. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Our answer is what? 16. Okay, our answer is 16. 84 divide, we can do like this also. Okay, 84 divide 7. So dividing one digit at a time. So one digit we have to divide. So this is 7 and this is 8. This is 7 and this is 8. Means one time it will go. Okay, one time. So this is bigger now than 7. So how many times we can say? The table, one time. One time we can say. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. Now minus it. 8 minus 7. Find out here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now 7 is there. You minus it from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many remaining? How many points remaining? Only 1 point remaining. This one. Okay, so here 1, and we know 8 minus 7, remainder comes 1. Okay, now here we have to bring it now the ones. Now for that we have to bring it down. Now say the table of 7, in how many times you can finish this 14? Finish this 14. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Means in 2 times you can finish. 7 2s are 14. Okay. 7 2s are 14. Now minus 8, 4 minus 4. 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, 81 divide by 3. 81 divide by 3. This is only one place and here one place. So this is divisible. Okay. Now say the table of 3 to get 8. To get 8. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So if we take 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Means it is becoming bigger than 8. So how many times we have to take? 2 times. So if we take 2 times, 3 2s are 6. And here now it is smaller than what? Smaller than 8, no? 6 is smaller than 8. So, dear students, which one we shall write? We will not take this, but we will write this one, so that we can minus it. Okay, so that we can minus it. Now, 3 2s are 6. Okay, now minus it. 8 minus 6. Come on, fast. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now minus it. 6. How many you have to minus? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many remaining? 2 remaining. Okay, so we have to write this one 2 here. Next, what we have to do? We have to bring this ones down. This ones down. Okay, so 1, 3, okay, 2, 3 into 10. Okay, 3 ones are 3 in, and 3 sevens are 21. Oh yes, we have got here. So how many times we have got? 7 times. In 7 times we have got 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Now minus it. Come on. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So quotient is what? Quotient is 27 and here quotient is 12.